So yesterday, me and him seem to be separated. We're riding our bikes by our house, and we found this plane by some guy's dumpster.
It's like,
and it doesn't come.
It's about 6 feet from the wing.
Yeah, from
the
wing
tip
to wing.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have propellers. It broke off. This is cracked, the nose of it, which I can probably get it at my local hobby store. And the other propeller's broken. It didn't come with a battery charger. It came with a top, obviously. It came with everything that you need, like tools and the rubber bands to hold down the wings. And then, which I think is completely dumb, is instead of the batteries being AA, they're rechargeable, which is really dumb, like this. See?
It's completely stupid, though. I don't get why they do that, because then you just spend more money on buying battery chargers.
To get more money.
Well, I know, but it doesn't make any sense. It's retarded.
But yeah, I think it's really dumb. And today...
Oh, wait. We're also going to be making another video today at Falls Park. We're going to be fishing.
Oh, yeah,
so, yeah, just okay, bye.
But all the servos work. I turned off for a quick minute. Okay, let's just let that do it once. It came with the servos, like all the servos and stuff, and then the back aileron, or however you say it, servos, and the elevator right here. And then
sorry about the light, it's kind of blocking.
This is from my RC truck I have. It just...
We should make a video.
It just fits these nuts and stuff, so like, I can tighten it.
You didn't fit these nuts in there.
What nuts? You don't have any.
Oh, get roasted!
I don't have nuts, but I have balls.
You don't got nothing down there. It came with the motor, which I wish it was brushless, but it's not. Here's the on and...
Wait, it's not? I thought it was.
It's brushed. Here's the on and off switch. I already have no clue what this button does.
None of us do. Look, you just push it. Here you go.
It might be to start the motor, but
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Not sure. This is my first plane.
That's what I was thinking, because when we were up in his bedroom, we were trying to start it, and I pushed that button, and the motor went. And it's like
it just like really quick started spinning, and then it
stopped. It stopped spinning because the remote died.
The remote died, yeah. But here, I'll hook it up, and you can probably hear that it. You can hear the servos start to connect. Okay, here we go.
No. Why are you first person?
Oh yeah.
Did you hear that?
Hit B.
The wings are attachable and detachable, which I kind of like.
Yeah, because if you want to take it
apart.
places, yeah, you can just undo the thing.
I'll take it apart right now.
That's what she said. Simple
Here's
as
the
that.
wings, and
It doesn't even fit in this room.
that's what she said.
Those are the wings connected. That's how big they are all together.
Here's the battery, it's Velcroed, and here's a servo, and here's the
Here, I'll zoom up on the servo.
Okay, I don't know what kind of servo they are. It doesn't say in the manual, but that's okay. I'll just take it to my hobby shop and they can tell me.
Well, yeah, this is pretty cool though.
Antenna. I don't know.
It's actually pretty easy to put together.
Yeah, it was super easy. It took me like 5 to 10 minutes. And it says an hour setup.
Well, it sort of took you. Well, that's because it was like that before. The guy that threw it out probably just built it and it just crashed or something.
Yeah,
he didn't care for it. Yeah, he got rid of it because he lost the propellers too, and something else is probably broke. But if he knew what In Control Hobbies was, he would have been in luck. Oh,
It went
here.
for a quick minute.
Okay,
Hear it.
Moving slowly because that remote's not even on right now.
I wish it worked because I wanted to drive it.
We should fly to Falls someday. Make a video of that.
Good. Yeah, if I get good, I will.
Let's just put it on the bridge and go.
It doesn't have wheels.
Wait. I'm kind of scared to go to Falls Park.
Why? Oh, yeah.
Should we tell these people?
No.
Why? Fine.
The wings are like. Really
Okay, I'm telling them. There was just 2 chicks that were fighting at Falls Park.
Come on.
What was so bad about
I
that?
want to make my gun. Yeah, make your gun.
There was these 2 chicks that were fighting at Falls Park.
If you don't know what Falls Park is, if you don't live in Post Falls, Idaho, it's like a pond that you can fish at.
Yeah, it's
It
like
has,
trout.
Like trout and bluegill.
No, actually, you're
Sometimes small bass.
And there was these little, these 2 chicks that
Fat
were,
old ones.
there's fat, old, stupid, fat, old, ugly piece of crap chicks. And they were fighting, and we were passing by them, and we were like, what are you looking at? And we're like, holy, whoa.
And then they blamed something on us that we didn't even do.
Yeah, they're all like, did you throw that rock at me?
Really?
We're like, oh yeah, totally. We would totally just
We totally just threw a rock at an old fat chick. Just trying to hump the chair for a minute.
no.
Let's get some action.
Oh yeah, totally. You know it.
Airplane.
Okay, I think we're gonna be done with this video.
What are you looking at? Okay?
We're good.
Subscribe, like the videos,
And bye-bye.
and peace out.